Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate sentiment analysis with Lexalytics, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with automating sentiment analysis using Lexalytics, first, sign up for a Lexalytics account. Once your account is set up, log into the Lexalytics dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the API section where you can find the API documentation. Familiarize yourself with the available endpoints related to sentiment analysis. Next, prepare your text data for analysis. This data can come from social media, reviews, or any other text sources you want to analyze. Convert your text data into a suitable format, such as JSON, to ensure compatibility with the API. With your data ready, construct your API request. Make sure to include the necessary headers and authentication tokens as specified in the documentation. Send the API request to the sentiment analysis endpoint. You will receive a JSON response containing the sentiment analysis results. Parse the response to extract the relevant sentiment scores, such as positivity, negativity, and neutrality. You can implement this API call in your preferred programming language, such as Python or JavaScript. To automate the process further, consider scheduling your API calls using a cron job or a task scheduler. After automation, store the analysis results in a database for future reference or reporting. Finally, analyze the stored data to gain insights from the sentiment trends over time. This completes your automated sentiment analysis setup using Lexalytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.